Hello everyone, I'm Roy from Inside Out Studio. I am the designer for this executive apartment in Sembawang, which belongs to a family of 7. Before they came to us, the owners were already thinking of doing something vintage to complement their antiques furniture. But the ideas of this particular look only came after they saw our office, which has colonial indochine theme. Unlike standard HDB flats, this one is shaped like a fan, with lots of slanted walls. It made planning quite challenging because we needed to think of other solutions. Since the owners are avid cyclists, we created a foyer with ample space for them to prepare for a ride. We also installed a shelving unit that functions as a storage area for their bicycles. Initially, the owner wanted an open concept kitchen, but because of this structural issue, this wasn't possible. So to compromise, we make the space bigger using some of the original study room space. This extra space let us build a kitchen island that owners use for storage and food prep. And since we are not able to tear down the kitchen wall, we created an arched entryway to allow the owners to move in and out freely. There were originally only 2 bathrooms, but because there are a lot of people in this house, we decided to split the common toilet, and now there's additional wet and dry bathroom that let more people to get ready at the same time. For the living room, we kept things simple. The main thing was to keep the space bright and while maintaining the colonial look, which we did by painting the walls white and using a darker floorings. I would say that the balcony is the highlight of this house. From here, you can see the Sembawang River and the surrounding greenery. It has a very chill vibe that makes you feel like you are in a resort. So to highlight this view, we removed the windows and grills. We also installed a counter so that the family can sit and enjoy the view whenever they are chilling, studying or eating here. Another unique thing about this balcony is the door. Previously, the entryway was rectangular. But since the owner wanted something different, we added some curve and installed custom-made arch door. The owner had a lot of trust in me throughout the renovation, which I'm very thankful for. Overall, I'm happy with the outcome. I'm glad they love it too.